Hello there guys, welcome back to a new video. Now this is another accessory that I got from my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let's unbox this. I've already opened up the package, right? So this is from Amazon and this is the mount that I would be using for my vlogs, for my moto vlogging especially. So this is from the brand Ulanzi, like you can see, right? It's the Ulanzi V2 vlogging kit. As you guys know, I've already got the mic adapter and I require this so that my GoPro and my adapter can stay in the same place and it just don't keeps moving around and stuff. So let me just quickly go ahead, unbox this and show you how it looks like. Comes in a bubble wrap, right? Couple of stickers here. This is from Yantrale School of Gadgets, right? And you get a couple of paperworks and couple of stickers as well. Ulanzi rig. Let's keep this aside for now and let's concentrate on the mount. Wow guys, this mount looks so good. It has a cold shoe mount as well, and this is the place where the mic adapter goes in. So let me show you the entire setup that I have. This is the Ulanzi mouse. This is the handle that I use for now. This is the mic that I use, and this is the adapter. So let us go get this all fixed and see how it looks. This is how the GoPro looks now. You can see there's a mic adapter here. You can put in a mic, but guys, make sure that you have a TRRS adapter because the 3.5mm jack will not get into this. Your video is not going to be all that great. And this is how it looks. You need to remove the side cover for you to access the USB Type-C cable, because this audio adapter connects to the 3.5mm jack onto the GoPro, right? And you also have a cold shoe mount just in case if you buy a GoPro flash or anything of that sort. You can definitely go ahead and use this part here, right? So this is how it looks. It's a proper vlogging kit. You can use it for moto vlogging and for vlogging as well, right? So this is going to be my new setup onto my helmet, and very soon you will see there's not going to be any more wind blasts or anything of that sort when I'm doing moto vlogging. That's all for now guys. Have a good day there. Ciao. Meet you in the next one.